Monday. Asa a driver for na yeni so hye kakra. Ene ye ayenim obi a wo no Monday bia obi tise kodwo fodwo say nani so hye. Ye ayenim. Ya minister kodwo pankuma wadwen yo so dadin nani so hye kakra. Na position ti ya na wakwako akahye dem kodwo fo ani so hye kakra. Natural. Who yan foforo abeka say yaso odin ba twen ye free 20 years ko no be hu say wa wo nipa. Eti edu Monday sa na me mfa ni agro. Me mfa Monday nu ndi agro. Me day bia ma mba adwuma enhye dan hame o. Day bia ma mba adwuma enhye dan hame bia sa. But say Monday ma mba adwuma bi sabu obeka kiro. Say me call leave na say e be simfimfini yesi me mba adwuma ya na me mpese me ba. Se do Monday sa men sheda ni agro sa. Na enne pesa me ka sembi. Na de na nka de bomb ne ba no ya dwodwo ye guso dwodwo me koma. Hwa ahwehwe no hwa ne ye brebre me ye hwa ne ye brebre me. But ye hwe menya wadwen da so be fa coronavirus ho awia Ghana ska nyam betua uka. Na nya katua papa wo bebre. Se obi ene ukoye bibi mukodi agro baby ayiwati fatu trim se obi suma no che osika no ma otua ho ka no wie no kogina baby no saka cho so ade no wo ye ni free nipa no wabo odua wo pa fa ni sika koma no ade na buy virtual concert no makogi sika the minister so sabe ka chen say mo anje hwe yet to come and see footballers in about 90 minutes. No match $5,000. You see and tears here. Meboa. By musician performing 6 minutes. The amount 5,000 Ghana cedis. I will divide that by 5,000. Obi to you be TV so change no. Cause of COVID-19. Change no ho. Semama kuma kunsia. Ni atam 50 million ni de amano. Ye wi asabe ka chen se nkrofo no boni free. Yey. Sa bola na organize here. Bola na edisi ne so. No fair musicians ba. Bola musicians no, wo me ya free. Yey, na ba ne say na MC. Yey, yeah MC. MC na o ye program no. Kwame Oja MC ne dum finfin na fa duru ba bi na fa ye hwena na ye hunu den na course wo backstage ba yem fa no ni na mpro nchen so bi so timi to nyum 25 minutes ni ya man 100,000 Ghana cedis dia sa player bi kono kobobo ni ya man $5,000 a yenke anu ntum we endu 90 minutes sa musician Ekwajina TV so to nyum 15 minutes ya man 40,000 Ghana cedis a supplier kobobo no so ya man $6,000 a mo bian complaining cause I won for $6,000 90 minutes a 30,000 Ghana o maina yetimu no obia nsi obia kwan wo ya ade Esese ye ina yetimi hu no. Ma me nkwa ahoma no so na afei. Mene dada kedi. Nkomo. Akunta morning.
Good morning, Akunta.
Na bibia bokode e.
Na bibia.
Good. Mpacho, enyum to no usua na se de wo.
Beka se ni na ka ho.
Ebienu ni na ho ya de wo na wo san sua ye.
And the correct.
But me musa question back been 2 ways so now just about 2 minutes answer. Ghana music industry na kwa ni mana say tesan.
I'm telling you me say no mutie na no pay ni na. Me kwa me sempa. Aja, city music industry, you know. The Biana Mekase, Yeni and Tintin, Yeni, I did. So the old can say, hey, I do much at the Remuno. Yamfa, Sabu, Libre, Mr. Casamo, and Shayadri. But the day friend say, what if you're born you call a radio son when you are on to say, the do may be able to say, oh, say, a Jumano, a sombo, a colony, the Cobebia, a nipa, the way I said it was so many of my name being Tino. Now, you the young age may be a couple with your necessary one in the between. Many Freddy, let Macasagana, a young to say, I will be a singing. Ghana, dear, yet the Enquanimu cry. Now, Oberhabe no fiti bear Sibi Kubwale pencil. A by ABC, the fancy Ghana kill me, which is called us a friend again, Dinah Hobson, right? And I know. Hey. I say, according to say, a Kobobi. I say, group of cartels. I say, we are now a passer, Marie. We are now a passer, we could say, ABC, or more as a young artist and vibrant as Yin and say. Oh, a telephone be a growing baby. I could say, oh boy, will be a young guy, a bit mania, and a bit medium to and she said, dear, a simple persona. Ghana and a Juma Bibri said that any community, I said, would be a percent, will only be. And now I can say, I don't know, I am not quite dear, if an intino, the what thing change. No anymore. The BFC would be more hectic one track. A contract said, what do you? And just and near my quite years fitting Cosga and the bar Gamri and the same music and the Aquarium so bad and quite in I join. Let's like I said, after the or more by the day, say, yes, I'm my special card. Those are not your paper. And it's your mobile or banner. That's it. Digital card, yeah, just say. And also so crown, a kurawa. A contact, who do baby and our chair. Any intimate macafe, a human acquire, uncle, said Yama Buana said, I won't obey home all day with you anymore. That is when you're penny favor. That is what they call me. And the two, so when you're penny favor, that's how they call me. Now I have to say one casa and media as Juman Island. I said, what did a team? Now, you can't be a pretty tiniano. I know more fun the school drop out any Yankase outcast. I said, we need the DD and now what day and you to show me so. And it's acquired to say, oh, my morning in a fact, you really see say. Musicians, you bet to master or minor shebre. You bet to master or minor shebre because according to Kakani Patriot, you say, can musician be a king? Yes, I contact. But to you, Manabro so crowded, like I said, Abo Makuma, and now 4 5 here. Elizabeth Macan, your Makuma, Kuba 20. Out, what but of your babble, there may be a seer who said, oh, yeah, Uncle Content can be a bit in my year. Aboyama, musicians are making no more than her best. A nipper bear a junum.
Yo, okay. Me pana 1-on-1. Any other musicians more come so that we can have a detailed discussion about Ghana music industry. Pacho, virtual concert no me who say now who performing how many minutes?
So me shepa and 10 minutes in the class. It na whatever me imagine me there. And I'm saying, Sana me need to create something. When me can say at least 3-4 songs. Let me perform within 10 minutes there. Menyanisa. And I hope say, man, I don't watch the but tell an American. I quiet to say, play back in tea. I say, you put the touch. Do baby now. A little bit desperate because DJ no. I say on train, I'm a cramming. Yes, I don't know what channel. The woman said, "Me and who say, Minia, Bami Eugene Shatawale no. Omuna ya brother wo do mu kan. Nti ase ye ne di kan koy no. Obi be say akoy to say job for the boys. Eni na metonum na all of a sudden obehu na pa the next song. Why would you say dia? You be pa ni atso. Nanso no say kwa me by obeto for me ni na. So ushanti e dia obi so energy which is cool. Any problem. And I mention ka say any say the man no man ti asinti me call you no e dia me yes more time man I mean display o be say me talent that moment no anything no like after 10 minutes in there akonta anwa na me nyae
obi send me message say o perform 5 minutes 49 seconds.
Can you imagine?
Mpacho wo kan wo aye ma mo 10,000 no ho na 40,000 no ho na 100,000 for na aka ho
akonta na me ni mkwene yitu kwa no ade ba ko pe yene yatena akontum especially Germany no ntini twan da na ntotwa ya ade bia utwa ebedu me no so waka wase bebre na wo mu kan ba ko pa
eno anu no
eno ana yebisa obaka no sa akonta me ka so obi ma me 10,000 na ye tro
na ubo mo ye ni free
in the sense to say ya ma ya kwa ma ye ntwa ye ni ayebo that is so the man has to say e free no because I just think I will free me say akonta ebia me be ye party ti yourself the one tia akonta me ti da be hye me ni nyam kakra so I say you know ba union baby o achi na nam say akwati so bia person the person bia so e che ne bo be ne do wo ma wunti no yes re ba ye be ma o brain su anase TNT on se no ne de ne che se imuno manya kwanya nkasa akonta o mu se obe hia no ho de ba se ni gari ashempa boabo powder abade so magi say ene de se me ka dia ne che se mi am sempa no me ka se e ma charge ni mo ka che me se enam se ye be doso ho ntino obi abo be je brace ntino me ma gere de me fa ne se eye free
okay the brace one ye ma mo say
ana me ka se minti me fa tudwa ewo ewie mu nyama ni pante de na emum no enu empem eduna se de mo kan
ne fan fan ah
pa jo say
ne half
yes ne half no just eduro no a obese aya no ho ara ikokola touch de umi
as a half bi sa no ho
umi ana ye obese be bi ejirenti ena wan bi nso a mi ameka say eje of fascinating A2 me the Americans that say as they who say adwuma we no any emun system lanka me dwene say so you wonderful can bounce the brea and ye busuafo a e ba ye akonta before ba kokra de me dum no me WhatsApp kra because obo se no ye bia offer na ampa yemina ya loco asa media me different space binti no obi fi so we okay akonta obi tumi srewa 10 service say ye mo 10 service na
5 kura wo mli ade
ba wo mo iso so wallet mo ye disika na to so enti say imagine akonta that moment in la ye say o de obenya more than that but when you palo don so afel so can imagine say me tuona say me tuka and na vendors so fan so kura ama into ofi say wa bonnet modern o do be shemi ni
onim say 5,000 pe
onim no minim de o peso the back and to say no your boy homodern say the be free mo say me makasema have pledged my life to support Nana Akufo-Addo until pempi no say nye wonu anim pa no me say the mechanic say without or with MPP, I will always be senior mayor because you were mono young Roman Sabio, Ebia, Chinchina, Nana Akufo-Addo, and MPP, or boy a getry.
All right.
What about not acquired to say a traditionally as inclined, say, artist bi anase creative artist bi a edi ne brand bo eku achi do manene ne a eni padodo na hwehwe say dey ye beye omu yi na sabe me akonta 10 minutes ne say ye ma me MP do 40,000 akonta say can be deserve pa but ekoya to say yes ama me kwa me afa me madam aslawusu o ma na me na kakra ama o ka say ke enye no kre nto ka say no community na say ne so critical no na ehia say me say akotechin se bebre but the na can say ebeye me ya say ye nyina eko jina the same platform so that moment na ye perform na dey akonta the same platform the same views any time here no maybe a few people maybe at the moment will be in the fans or bar over any video but you share radio TV stations on capture live plus YouTube live and maybe akonta na be a deserve say we bring sika yet to them. There's a mass answer kwano the American say me yam say mebo nana akufado Adom amane no botaye bi opese o yama Ghana eni ye nyina akoje ne owo mo nkomo makwese menya de mensa koto abuwalu eni
okay dia na abedie
dia na medi
wudi na o me ya afre me baba me yepie dada ke di to nyum na wote 7 no we kasa no ono wanje kese 5,000 ye de man no ande ni sha but me wouldn't problem back up na me wo ya ban sika so you can't just come and tell us free now we are almost have a catch and say my brain shoe na brain shoe na if you be bottom na ya ban sika brain shoe no wan sika we dey yan fan twere ha ma me san ka asem we biom say minim say one na stop galam say no ye ka say ekuo no yagu no si atefufuro si antefufuro hey ye yare yo constituency chairman, constituency women organizers, constituency youth organizers, ni secretary for na. Mo tumi hwe nyame nim fa buo mam president na nado. Na mo ya galamse no. Me catch him last week. See I left here. And then we so fanchro ha. And also, yan fanchro ha. Na ye be share from constituency to constituency. Enye feo, but my two on a year head of entertainment, our multimedia. Mike, good morning.
Na post gaze ara me de.
Na men kan say na sa Adom FM ha wo na entertainment, ho biom na ka ho.
Ayo, da dey ase.
Na bibia fine there.
Aba dey Adom.
Mo. Music hands ni sika no. But say wo intervention kakra ma minte o.
Me da se captain elimse after the COVID-19 tracker concert, you know, you will be one of the people. Yes, okay. Asema, Madam Osla, Communication Minister Babu Ntebeka, said, "Are free?" No, they didn't say free, but later, no. Any who said that? Besides, there, Madam Akasi free. Yes, so go further. Now, yenye say free and now say free. And later, no, na you check the chair say there be. And you free. Any sika now boy cry ebemu. Emma, we interview our MP South Day Roxy. Eddie Nkomo big agenda wa Adom TV so also the capture say sika bi kwa ekumu. No amount no bono. And also different. It's here the Nkomo na Eddie hu say there be. Ade na nye free say na madam e capture no. Eno nti. No say madam also about one thing be capture yi say. Ebi ana communication na nko yi dia o mechi because you say you can't be free na say why you teku ana wan ye sempoa say captain wo fufuo na say mba be wo fufuo ni ma na wo na wo twa bi ma media me ntumi nko gina ma bia nka say me wo fufuo ni ma free me ko kansa aba ka na ye na me twa bi ma odi ye no eno nti enye artist na o ma be gisika no ana say ye ma o musika no ye ni sawom ye ni nsawom Nemo yani ntaze dwumadi na omudi ye no na ya ban dwumadi a eye me ne wo ne wo omudie ye sika ye bitua ma ban na ye tax na omudi tua fa sika no enti to ye bisem asem na kokoye fa be MPP and now say I'm on your code to know be the any bota no quite a fiabre. But still, the person who say I established say, Omo could do Jumani in I am to follow. One more Jessica. It's a secretary Bermudia. And you know what Madame was like about to make a say. Free no kind of maybe or sign. Now, so the catcher say free now and conforming so and comment you want to say, I saw my more a D and no mind charging. You get a car, and I did do me any say, send me a baby will be no man charging no more BBA. A chest and be free, they will not get a charger and Zana, a pack of free. Almost no one can born on the mine in chair. That's it. They will know. Oma me atia say omo Jessica. The sense can omo ji no na Madam Osla. Eso ba bon team bio no be kire say wan kan samo no kwasam na nche Ghana for me dem isusu say asem no kan say me isusu we twa no kire Ghana for a me ka say wan kan no kire anche Ghana for say baby a wo free a wo ba no eho aya kasa mu fie na baby aya kasa mu fie no o ka say na so wan kan yi a na wo ya say ase fidie mu ho na wo no Ujimi en kwa wo hunye wo sebe ye tell we do see ya no betimi afom they are not from anase an kasa ye ni bia ne trara wo na se ye ba nkofo be di ye ho yawo nemo no wo kasa mu fie se communication house se se multimedia na se wan kasa yi a emra no kwa ma wo kwa so na se ss no be ka cho so bra bonti ne pa cho e tell Ghana force na so tie force wo ni o ka yi kra de e bia wan kan ye na e bia se ni e ti madam wo fa ne ka che ne se ene de na yon to phone ni na o ka kire en say o ma ye wa ma mo hwe na ye free no wa me atia say yon to phone me atia say ye free sika na da so na de me say ena no na MP eno din ko ma so be ko parliament no on ko parliament what do we anka wa tam ko emu bi no e ya tworo ko e be ko po bi am na bo am ya tworo e da ko mu na se be defi no ma frɛ ma me say e ka e ba ho no o ka kire say amanyo phone so mo tie mo ye ma se be jam phone so tia Okwa me fa so mo tumi afem o ma me no to the parliament ba be trafia no me treche say sika no ma ye no e wo so be kire e say captain o hia agudi na ko so yi free ni ko free mu no na ma me ne kan ko free ho a e ma be bre wo ha e ko so a ye ni di eye anyon to na say art industry na chi no ye wo say you look at the setup ade no obi ye ma wo hu say ye set wo de nko aye bi e mu sampa stage no setup no o hwe ko to me say ade no hwe kwa say lifestyle component what share or performing and look at the performance and go for perform here that because say no dia to na me show no so and dey o kan yin na ya picture say o ma ko ma mo ade ji na wo say musicians and I say and on to for obi friend a day or two to the program prayer one ya ko na akwa ye bibi asebe ense na emfata na wie nzo so na ye ntimi fatika na ma twidwa no na ye boa obi a wanka no kwa nche o ma ne say ade no enye free eje de be say madam Osla say ye nyina ka say mu no ye nim so ya kasa ma wano afoma na say bia na bo enye information bi yi so ke za for fafro mo no ade o maka cho mo so mo ba be no pa o mo bibi no mo fan to dia wo de enye asem na mo no ye sha ban any communication ministry dey say o mo fa say bibi no mo nkofo yi fa bonten e ma ye nyina hu say covenant concept no mbo ye no e ka ko hu ni
we are dealing with a whole member of parliament, Honorable Roxanne, the firm or say, when we call, a BG 40,000 Ghana cedis. Kwame Eugene or Bodidin. No, Bo Shatter didn't say Shatter J 100,000 Ghana cedis. And one I catch it no. Catch a Kwame appear morning. Come back to me, Papa. Your friend say, Lucky Samono, 10,000. And I contact Kedi Muni at the end of the day. Almost the one more say, one more 5,000. This is a whole member of parliament. And what can say way? Me assure so boy. By now, as a communications ministry, Timbabu and Sebeka chance as some MP can oboa. That's right. Because MP na catching when or say or no the evidence or want to say. A nipa no frɛ wo mo no. Me nipa frɛ wo mo. Nipa frɛ wo mo no. And a this sika ma wo. Nipa frɛ wo no so wo ho. Nipa oji sika no so wo ho. Enti ye hear evidence bia o baby abio. Dia ka de say ade no na enye free. What from musician now man is any problem. So be 200,000 Ghana cedis, I've got no problem. But don't come and tell me, say, are you free? Wabra na you free.
That's right. And I got to leave the free organizers, no crowd, some more. I think I am muted on this very issue. The some organizer don't put out to me and your mama budget. And you know, meaning say after the budget, you call communication ministry who has more entire increase here. At the end of the day, some your budget statement. How much like I say, free, no money, on my entire. It's been massage and money you the Biarada. It's how they say communication, say, and then my country, communication ministry, on my tourism fund, so echo journey. If that is so, a coin you know, I buy you a coin. I was on one thing, no one bet the capital of the shame, no one yet free from a canoe. I'm free this are no more as a Ghana for a before you near movie because you're more free now, sir. And training Madame Osla, all
right. Mammy, that's Mike 2. Mike 2, yeah, entertainment, Hall of Entertainment, right? That's the name of the program. Ewo Adom FM. Memory Debiano, Patriati, you know why? But ye, Mefa we Fabɛwɔso no. That me can say, Mama yem fa COVID-19 home fan san kwan. Ebi before ye pesa adodo. Asama ba ni pebre no na aya se be mro be send me video obi ewu aya de da no e o park so obi kwa hwefunu no no so sa nam na aya toto ne bi na odi kwa hwefunu yeso mo se na se obi ba wi obeto funu no ho sa de yesu ba ante ye ton nam kra wo funu ho COVID-19 ni me person busa World Health Organization just 3 questions. One popo ye ana omante. The scientific community of the world. No mo ya aware. Ya tete bibi unconfirmed. Say White House a petition say ye investigate Bill Gates. And when I monitor we see and answer me who say investigating no. Africa, let's start look within. Yan shusha de bia we yan ya ha. Say kasi ye di abrofo we no machi a they wipe us away. Say ye adwen say tem bia no ye betwa abrofo ya won be hye ase fa sen dan ho. Maybe we be position virus ni bebrebe abebe wiase ko nyina no nya ha na mbeka no me we position now what's the name there for all over the world. There's a calculated attempt to decrease the population of Africa, a calculated attempt, because see Africa year started 2020. If it's afi we ya ye woman ye koye nimu yi Africa ye die ahyese ya afi we ye ko say ye kase ye betwe won wo bran yen nose ni mouth mask say yen sha wo be kunkum yen be who say ya ne be na social media na ye say na China fo ne ma mo de bra yen na ewuduro wo mu na deben enu kwa yen yusu be si ne Food and Drugs Authority no more test it. Say we are correct. Yafanko, Nkwa we are correct. Yafanko, we are correct. Yafanko. And now I brought you a tip and watch video. Old time video. Adom TV. Osha GT Pintama and the idea pam face massacre and a shannon no. What it means is that you bet me a we have relied on these Europeans and Americans for quite too long as the enemy answer. You see, it is not that we can't do anything, just that we lack the wisdom and the zeal to do it. But nyansa ni nimdiano taha nimdiani nyansa de Africa. And I am shocked that up until today, Yama Yahuswa, Yako France, Yako Papisa. Yama ya ho so yakɔ Switzerland yakɔ pabisia. Yama ya ho so the oman te say Denmark nipa fia nipa kete nipa wo ho wo nduru 10 million. Sweden nipa wo nduru 10 million. Enso wo sika che adentia wo dwen Africa. This is the time, this is the season for Africa to begin to think. This is the time. iPad na ya toto ama mo parliament no monye yire mo ho African parliamentarians say monye mo ho na sikamra sisanum na ya maya ne bu onsa wanya pad e de amo. We share the way Ghana yes I fight COVID-19 now. It's a sign to me say Africa say ya dwen say ya be ya abibiman ya we can do it. And near my kikabubom, and we have various centers, no, and I mean, personal catch now, no one quite know if you can be a bubom nobody, but it is from within. Kudos to our scientists, kudos to our doctors and nurses. Adiano you ha, if you ha, and young coffee free baby, we. Eti, yen trainer tambia bribi messi, as I shall say, Adriana. When we say yen, you start contact tracing. You real contact tracing. You real, you left your lockdown. Almighty America. So I'm so many answer for. Nya fe no me so who answer say contact tracing say na fast wo so. Who told you they think better than we do? They don't. The only difference is leadership direction. America for ni nyansa nche yen o to. Europeans, what would you say your tone? After all, around the world, Nasha Ghana former a holding positions. Wama akosuku Silicon Valley, Papa your bias or did obey speed training with Krumai. Papa your friend saying, Dr. Mensa. America for who no ya kutokoto. O again ni wonum nyansa nche yen. But ya adwen say yen pese abedwen. That's our problem. It's enkwasi dabai. And no president take us na edu bia na IMF the way baba. And World Bank the way baba. Mr. President, it's about time. La sula no kasa wonya bi. But ya traso. Obian kan meka kire la sula no ya bobi say Dr. Baumia ka say no ya mo ba say bobo che obia check Fourth Republic ma bobi say che aban bia about Fourth Republic MPP aban wo sisi ya pa check record no o ma bobi say che any government in the Fourth Republic for the first time ko check it, list of loans and no problem o. But Mr. President, this is the time. So we best start aye niema hodoa esesa wo hihegu akwam. Won fie nwotwe beso a wo bekọ no. Na niema hodoa ye betimi aye e wo manyim. Na ye nye adwen say ye pedros asha besia, ye pe toothpick besia, ye pe pad besia, ye pe toilet roll besia, ye school dan besia, ye besi hospital besia, ye be den besia. We got to stop that nonsense. And now Africa, think. Shadi obi dey Tanzania for my friend. Tanzania for say pokum faninku. Yampa mo hibium. Why? And then name tree, and then the wabe we are say Japade. Name tree, a gukroyim near Butugu, and Shija, and Bidie. And yes, I a scientist now, Wahano, Sabi Wonimushio. Leadership. As I see a Timian leader. Yes, I have a Trahana Brunia Becache and say, here GMO, nonsense. na when you need the phone mu professors na mu doctors na wo de kire say yen kwaya GMO wa bra ye won sase gu ha ye betuma no aduane ye fa GMO ho say jaisa ye kopa be say from ho abeto aba they will respect us. Hey, Ghana for betumi abo man e be before Africans we can help Africa. Eba ne say na COVID-19 ni bai. Chamber of Mines and quite 11 million Ghana cedis na bai. Meba. People are contributing. And the rate at which and kwafo yi sika boa, the rate at which and kwafo no aduane che. Tigo ma me na Daniel ne kasa ne friend say. Miss so mama adobia ye me refidi no. Testimony. Onunkwa and then over the weekend we Saturday aduane odi call nsanwo prison ho baby na nya aduane wa hwe the way Ghana fo asi akire eboa e kire say ye hwe ye ha ye betira ye bibia but aye na ya bro ne be ye tua sika na madi Ghana sika ye nsa asori aguo sika on sa asori no sa otia na agu a sika no obi ahweso biom sare ye Ghana sika any Africa sika. I'm talking to Africa. Africa, listen. We did China chi obekum yen. Ya tra ha British fo abetra krom ha. Aye de ombe ye bia say oh mo ne ye colonial masters. Ye nya sanse hunu nka. Wo ma wie wo mo ko over 400 years and more. Obi antimi nya obi a master bi after 400 years. They are from a master and a master and a master and a master. After 400 years, they are still our masters. We still call them masters. After 400 solid years, we still want to call them masters. Adanya, Africa, what is wrong with us? Nigeria, Ghana, Benin, Togo, Ivory Coast, Mali, what is wrong with us? Yentimi nye leader, Bama Gaddafi, Sanya ya, and yedikum Mama Gaddafi ya. Yawo oil wo krom ha ye kunu so mfaso okwa kan so within the pipeline na sa pipeline da be pipe no mehu say ponchiri na wom na nya hwe yawo gold wo krom ha ye nhuru so mfaso hwe ye gold ye tu krom ha nyina ye de ye 2%. Why? Akwatia aye ghost town. Go to Akwatia. And then a man sending Maba where work with you, Bonjen. Asa Sabi, woman Nimiansa. Yes, woman Nimiansa, a Quatia Mantian and Mabawa, when Nimiansa power, what ding, what ding, and in the Dio met media, baby. Yes, share diamond, I say you to Quabrani to be for bottle. No, what two car, effing crying. Well, of course, a diamond. Diamond, and so a man for so Aquatia. I am a phone. Udu akweti ase nipa ni ho. Ko Zambia kwa he. Wamu call na wamu tu wa Zambia no. Na company free America. Say oba beto. Tieni yo. Wasi wo ni sika. Ade na say. Na wo turn $5 million. Na nipa na oba ene si o. 5 for the when take care when ade ni boma about $7 million. No about to ade $7 million. No mas abobo besia e was Zambia mainim. Any banks akeka bom consortium akikensi ani e de age $7 million e was Zambia mainemu e de atua ade ne ka. Washas emfie mienu bia no na wonya $21 million. Africa, what is wrong with you? Africa, what is wrong with you? Nigeria, abacha wo ya wo hwe na account mu Switzerland. No, you're twice richer than Nigeria. No, $92 billion egu account ma onfanya hwe. Abacha was twice richer than Nigeria. Africa, what is wrong with you? Jacob Zuma no hoche ache no. Ye da hati ye krom ha se obi be di president a. Your constitution say ofira konwa no so a yenka na sem. Hey sir. It is obedi president we no we 40 billion the kogun account ma. Yes your constitution say yenka nipa na sem. To be betimi obedi president. No di nsamfu bia wo wiase bia o we na kwata say ntimi fa no court. Africa, what is wrong with you? Yay! What is wrong with you? Africa. Africa, what is wrong with you? Bauxite ayewo Ghana. J.A. 4 time 2006. Go and check the records. Mines and energy for go and check the records. Emma NDC MPB your friend Clenso Tigo Okaino squadron leader so make a statement ewo parliament say sana tie dia and enye enchene nko and president Kufuor betimi dia ma Ghana ayeye bauxite eka ho. As of that time cleanse umu time wa parliament auto as of that time. Now we are talking about 165 billion US dollars. Anunkwa 3 locations per 165 billion dollars. 3 locations of bauxite. And then by the bauxite come China for 2 billion. Africa, what is wrong with you? Rosewood, are expensive in cocoa. Tanzania rosewood na China for yeta. Kenya rosewood na China for neta. And yamana make said only 9 countries na Africa rosewood wo China for 8 na manaka Ghana there and yeguso ha ne yetwa. And yete ho ne yehwe wo mo and wo betwa ni nyina wie wo mo twa wie pe na wo kom krom no ma say yaman no ne yete ho ne yehwe wo na de anya wo ya chi asha wo a ono bo asaf ma for say dan. Africa, what is wrong with you? Ye dumbera say ye pedura yenja America for no momundro yenja yendro ha besin na yentimi nua mo e beso yen enso ye won sase ye betimi di adua mo a ye betimi ye di mabiaka ye timi di akọ other countries akoton enso yentimi nua mo by our Greek ministry to be the 10 billion some me dey apete army worm so na ya advert 8 million Ghana cedis wa bra advert bia ne ho pie ba bia ye drum mra say ye ho aduro. Africa, let's start looking within to solve our own problems. Thank you. Fancy her. Shadow Soma said DBS roofing sheets. DBS Industries Limited. One of the swats the idea Fabɛwɔso brewo. Say the attack radin tamale ni sunyane branches no ye baby.
Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands and please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of big family, and it's true. The love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try and stay at home. 'Cause there's a chance we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. Lord have mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true. We know love is all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. There's a chance we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home. Try and stay at home. There's a chance we're making. We're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home and wash our hands and sanitize. There's a chance we make it. We're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day. Just you and me. You and me make a brighter day. Save the world. Hey. Oh yeah.